How to mute someone on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can mute someone on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to mute someone on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. To mute someone, you just have to go to that person's profile page. Once you go to their profile page, tap on the following tab and you'll find this option called mute. So just tap on mute. You can choose to mute their post, stories and notes, and to unmute them you have to simply come back to the same step and unmute them if you would like them to unmute. This way you can mute someone on Instagram. Hope this video was really helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.